Hi, my name is Dmitry, and I'm the developer of InfraNodus, a text network visualization app. Today, I want to show you how you can use network analysis to analyze the structure of any discourse and to understand the urgency of the terms inside. We will use the tweets from the last two main events, coronavirus and the Black Lives Matter. So I'm going to show you how the structure of each discourse on Twitter was different during these events. So for example, here you see the graph that was made on the 29th of March 2020 of the most popular tweets. And you see that coronavirus is overtaking the whole discourse. Even if we delete this word, we will see that a lot of tweets are still about coronavirus related stuff. Death cases here, or you also have tests here. So everything is about coronavirus. Now, if we travel 2 months later, this is 29th of May 2020, we will see that the main topics now are very different and they're much more diverse. However, they're all about one thing. You know, we have here Black people and Trump president, police, arrest, and so on. So we see that the discourse shifted, but it's slightly more diverse than it was during the times of coronavirus. Now, if we travel to the 9th of June, we will see that the discourse became much more homogeneous. So it's talking about Black people a lot, Black and white people. And at the same time, the other part of the discourse is about defunding police. So here I select these two nodes and unify them into one. So we can clearly see the two main topics in the graph. As you see, it becomes much more focused on this dichotomy, defunding police, Black people, white people, and so on. And then if we travel today, this is 18th of June 2020, we will see that the discourse structure became diverse again. It's still talking about police officers and Trump and so on, but it has more topics. There is now something about China, there's something about videos, the new Bolton book, and so on. So as you can see, depending on the event, the structure of the discourse is different. When there is a state of shock and obsession with only one item, how we see here in the case of coronavirus, then it's just going to be about this one topic and it's going to overtake the rest. When it's developing into a sort of, from something that we started from here into this dichotomy that we can see, which is about 10 days old from now, we see that there is two topics emerging. And then when things are becoming a little bit more normal again, there is diversity coming into the conversation again. So I thought it would be interesting to show you this, how it works. Please feel free to try it out on infranodus.com with your own data, with tweets or with news that you can import from RSS feeds or with any of your own data, and let me know how it works. I would be very curious to hear about your use cases. Thank you.